Welcome back. A teenager was allegedly molested at Ponda on Saturday afternoon while she was on her way back from school. Ponda Police have arrested one Siddesh Gawde in this connection. Accused Siddesh allegedly stopped and molested her on the way. Police could nab the accused within 24 hours as girl had noted the number of his motorbike.
Is Goa safe for girls? Well, the incident reported on Saturday questions the safety of the adolescent girls. A teenager, while walking her way back from school, was allegedly molested by a youth. Girl retaliated and screamed for help. Seeing this, the motorist fled from the scene, but the girl was smart enough to note down number of his motorbike. She reported the whole incident to her parents. Parents lodged a complaint against the molester at Ponda Police station. Police flung into action following the registration number of motorbike reported by the parent of the victim girl. Accused Siddesh Gawde has been arrested under Section 354 of IPC and Goa Children Act 8A. Court has granted 3 days police custody to the accused. A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Framing or enactment of new rape laws won't help to control crime against women. Strong, speedy and efficient justice delivering system to convict the accused is the need of hour. Besides this, society should not adopt the double standards while witnessing crimes against women. The discussion organized by the State Women Commission in Panji on Sunday saw prominent speakers vocal and firm with these opinions.
Children's Act, a very beautiful act, which aims at protecting our children. Unfortunately, till today we do not have infrastructure. Till today we do not have a full-time judge. Forensic reports are not received in time. Muddemal, which is forwarded to CFSL, is not received in time.
Chairperson of Women's Commission Ezilda Sopeko said that crime against women are on rise, but the rate of conviction is low.
All agencies were in fact working efficiently. There would be reduction in crime against women.
The legislators feel that amendment in rape laws won't help. Society's mindset must change and justice delivery mechanism and machinery should be strong and effective.
पण माझं भय इतकं असं की एखादा गुन्हेगार जर आम्ही त्याला फाशीची शिक्षा जर कन्फर्म केली जाल्यार गुन्हे कमी जातले हे कशावरसून आसा गुन्हेगाराक जेन्ना हे कर्म केल्यानंतर कळोन येता आणि आता आपणाक मेल्याशिवाय म्हणजे फाशी जाल्याशिवाय आपणाक गत्यंतर ना
नवे कायदे करप नवे आनी कितें करप यंत्रणा तयार करप म्हाका दिसता हे सोल्यूशन समाजात सुधारपाची गरज आहा.
DGP raised the issue of society's double standards.
One boy and a girl, injured condition, lying on the road and asking for help. And by the side of that picture, there is another picture. The same set of society is having candles next day. This speaks about the double standards we have. Let me tell you, whatever good or bad is there with the police is the reflection of the society. That police is too good or too bad. If police is too bad, it is the mirror of the society itself. And when our sister, mother, friend is teased in a bus in Delhi or in any city and 50 persons traveling in the bus doesn't stop it, don't you think we are encouraging the criminals? Use this opportunity, this workshop, to at least go back from here with a sensitive mind.
Prajot Pednekar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.